To power off your Garmin Forerunner 945 or almost any Garmin watch, press and hold the upper left button and hold it until you reach that page. Then navigate with the up or down button to this power off logo and select it with the start stop button. In a few seconds we should see that power logo turn off and the watch will be off. Just like that. Then if you want to power it back on, the only button you need to press and hold is the upper left button again. So you press and hold it until you see the Garmin logo. Just like that. So then release and wait few seconds until the watch is ready to use. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.